Prepare to uncover the astonishing secret weapon that's leaving doctors astonished. If you're over 50, this age-defying spice could revolutionize your life in ways you never thought possible. So, get ready for an incredible journey as we delve into the wonders of ginger. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that will truly amaze you. While ginger has long been a staple in traditional medicine, recent research has unearthed its extraordinary benefits, especially for those over 50. This unassuming root is causing a sensation worldwide, with doctors astounded by its impact on health and vitality. In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 life-transforming benefits of ginger for the 50-plus crowd. We'll also delve into the science behind these remarkable effects and provide practical tips for incorporating ginger into your daily regimen. Trust us, you won't want to miss this groundbreaking information that could change your life. Stay tuned until the end as we uncover the secrets of this remarkable spice that's capturing everyone's attention. It's time to embrace the power of ginger and start living your best life, regardless of your age. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off by delving into the remarkable anti-inflammatory properties of ginger. One of ginger's standout features is its potent anti-inflammatory abilities, thanks to gingerol, a bioactive compound that acts as a superhero in combating inflammation. As we age, our bodies often experience increased wear and tear, particularly for those over 50, which can lead to aches, pains, and joint stiffness, making everyday tasks feel daunting. But fear not, ginger is here to lend a helping hand. The powerful anti-inflammatory effects of gingerol can provide relief for those achy joints and reduce inflammation, serving as a valuable ally for individuals dealing with conditions like arthritis. However, ginger's benefits don't stop there. Its anti-inflammatory prowess extends beyond pain relief to enhancing overall mobility, crucial for maintaining an active and independent lifestyle as we age. In a groundbreaking study published in the journal Pain Medicine, researchers led by Daly Jang Kim and Park uncovered astonishing benefits of ginger for older adults. The study revealed that ginger can significantly alleviate pain, even surpassing conventional painkillers. While the study primarily focused on menstrual pain in older women, it underscored ginger's potent pain relief and anti-inflammatory properties, which extend to various age-related health concerns such as arthritis and digestive issues. So, the next time you're feeling stiff or achy, remember to turn to ginger, your trusted companion in fighting inflammation. Whether adding a dash of this magical spice to your meals or indulging in a comforting cup of ginger tea, unlocking its healing properties can bring immense relief. With ginger by your side, you may just discover that age is but a number, and maintaining vitality is well within reach. Now, let's delve into the digestive health benefits of ginger. Ginger has long been revered as a reliable and effective natural remedy for various digestive issues, which can be particularly troublesome for individuals over 50. As we age, our digestive systems may become more sensitive, leading to uncomfortable symptoms like bloating, gas, and indigestion, putting a damper on even the most festive occasions. However, fear not, as ginger comes to the rescue once again. This humble root possesses a unique ability to support proper digestive function, soothing troublesome tummies and providing much-needed relief. The secret behind ginger's digestive prowess lies in its potent compounds, including gingerols and shogales, which work synergistically to stimulate digestive enzyme production and relax gastrointestinal tract muscles, facilitating comfortable food passage. It's akin to a gentle massage for your insides. If you're over 50 and grappling with digestive issues more frequently, why not give ginger a try? With its well-established history as a natural remedy, it's certainly worth experimenting with. Simply incorporate a hint of ginger into your favorite recipes, enjoy a soothing cup of ginger tea, or indulge in some candied ginger. Your digestive system will thank you, and you may find yourself feeling lighter, more comfortable, and ready to conquer the world. Now, let's explore ginger's immune-boosting properties, especially beneficial for individuals over 50 whose immune systems may not be as robust as they once were. As we age, our bodies become increasingly vulnerable to infections and common illnesses, which can disrupt our plans and leave us feeling under the weather. But fret not, as ginger is here to lend a helping hand. Thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, ginger can strengthen the immune system, empowering it to combat pesky germs and keep you feeling your best. Moreover, ginger's antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, those notorious molecules that can wreak havoc on our bodies and contribute to various age-related health issues. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you're not only bolstering your immune defenses but also taking a proactive approach to maintaining overall well-being. So, if you're over 50 and seeking a delicious and natural way to give your immune system a boost, why not give ginger a chance? Sprinkle some ginger powder into your meals, savor a comforting cup of ginger tea, or indulge in a ginger-infused smoothie. With ginger by your side, you'll be better equipped to fend off infections and embrace a healthier, more vibrant life. Now, let's explore ginger's role in supporting cognitive health. Ginger isn't just a flavorful spice for your culinary creations, it also offers robust support for cognitive well-being, particularly beneficial for individuals over 50. As we age, our brains may benefit from additional care, and ginger steps in to provide just that. Emerging research suggests that ginger possesses neuroprotective properties, which can help preserve cognitive function and maintain mental acuity as we grow older. Think of it as a personal trainer for your brain, keeping its faculties toned and primed for optimal performance. But how does ginger accomplish this brain-boosting feat? The key lies in its abundant reservoir of antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress, the nemesis of cognitive health. Oxidative stress is implicated in various age-related cognitive issues, including cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and other neurodegenerative disorders. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you're equipping your brain with the necessary defenses to ward off the detrimental effects of oxidative stress and stay in peak condition. So, if you're over 50 and eager to maintain sharp focus and mental clarity, consider incorporating ginger into your routine. Whether sprinkling ginger powder into your favorite recipes, indulging in a comforting cup of ginger tea, or exploring ginger supplements, integrating ginger into your life can be a proactive step toward preserving cognitive function. With ginger as your dependable cognitive ally, you'll be prepared to tackle life's challenges and continue to shine brightly with your mental prowess. Now, let's delve into how ginger can aid in blood sugar regulation. Ginger isn't just a delightful addition to your culinary endeavors, it also serves as a potent ally in maintaining balanced blood sugar levels, particularly beneficial for individuals over 50. As we age, the importance of managing blood sugar becomes increasingly evident, especially for those at risk of or already managing type 2 diabetes. Here's where ginger steps in as the unsung hero of blood sugar regulation. This unassuming root has been found to assist in regulating blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity, thereby facilitating your body's response to insulin and effectively managing blood sugar levels. The mechanism behind ginger's blood sugar balancing prowess lies in its unique blend of bioactive compounds, such as gingerol and zingerone. These powerful molecules work synergistically to optimize the body's insulin response, ensuring efficient glucose absorption by cells and preventing blood sugar spikes that can negatively impact health. If you're over 50 and seeking a natural means to support healthy blood sugar levels, consider integrating ginger into your routine. Whether sprinkling a dash of ginger powder into your morning oatmeal, enjoying a refreshing cup of ginger tea, or exploring ginger supplements, incorporating this potent root into your daily regimen can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. With ginger by your side, you'll be better equipped to manage your blood sugar and embrace a balanced, healthier lifestyle. And there you have it, the top 5 astounding benefits of ginger that are leaving medical professionals amazed and transforming the lives of individuals over 50. We hope this discussion has sparked your interest in harnessing the power of this remarkable spice and experiencing its life-enhancing effects firsthand. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Are you already reaping the benefits of ginger, or are you eager to give it a try? Share your thoughts, experiences, and favorite ginger recipes in the comments below. Your stories inspire us. If you found this information enlightening and valuable, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us spread awareness of the incredible health benefits of ginger, reaching even more individuals who can benefit from this age-defying miracle spice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content that will guide you toward your healthiest and happiest life. Until next time, stay ginger-tastic and continue thriving, regardless of your age. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.